Yeah, it was too... I haven't really got to use it because we haven't had any snow, so I figured today seems to be a good day before I get stuck having to go to work. So I figure I'll give it a try. Yeah, he sees the kittens under the thing.
Oh, I see.
I think they were all in there, so.
It's not a good.
No. He's
in the front yard when I'm walking in, and she'll just walk up to the fence.
Yeah. She's definitely got no fear. There's no doubt about that one. So. Duncan, he was walking the dogs.
Why are you clearing snow from over there so people can walk?
I'm not clearing snow from over there. I'm starting right here, what runs along this. I wonder if I add weight to this thing.
You can put that anywhere else but there, on the sidewalk or over there in the yard, but you're putting it in the front door.
Let me turn this off because I'm not